morning, start na po tayo ng ating operation training para po sa ating Land Foreign Medical Emergency Fund IMT team. Perry Cruz, San Francisco. Logistics Section Chief, Manuel Cruz. Food Unit Leader, Glenda Sabada. Communication Unit Leader, Gian Francisco. Planning Section Chief, Tomarita Maral. Documentation Unit Leader,